Hi guys. The viral AI winter scene style on Instagram just needs one photo and within seconds you can create a stunning 3-panel snowscape. In this video I'll share 2 simple and free methods you can even make those still photos move. Let's get started. Method 1. Open Google Gemini, upload your photo. Then paste the prompt provided at the end of the video, and wait for it to generate. Method 2. Use an app called Meitu. No prompt needed, just one tap to generate the snow scene photo. And it can even turn the photo into a live image. You can also use pixpretty, a free online tool, for better background removal. This tool can also generate 3D portrait shots. Isn't the effect amazing? That's it for today's video. Hope it helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.